All right, here's our walkthrough of Kiber Ataka Vegas. And let me go up to the top here. Here, starting at the top, we're just importing some modules. The time module, the random module, NumPy, Pandas, and Yahoo Finance so we can get some historical stock valuations. I'm importing this interesting PyFiglet so we could do some text graphics. And for some of our analysis, we're going to use matplotlib. All right. So here we define a class cyber attack simulation. And we have the red team and the blue team. And here the blue team has some defensive tactics like network segmentation, firewall and IPS, endpoint protection, patch management, training the security team, instituting multi-factor authentication, and having an incident response plan. So these are the defensive tactics for the blue team. We got 5 rounds. Here we're going to display the title, Cyber Attack Vegas. I wanted it to be fun, so I added some Russian name. This says Kiber Ataka Vegas, right? And then it's got a really cool font. So here we've got a function here where the red team can choose the type of cyber attack: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0-day, supply chain attack, ransomware, malware, or social engineering. So we got a loop here while this is truthy, to use the Python lingo. We're going to ask the user to pick a cyber attack for red team. Okay. And here I did import the random module, but I wanted to simulate Brownian motion, which is used in the Black-Scholes option pricing model for financial derivatives. So I wanted to bring in this Brownian motion and kind of play with it. It's like a random walk kind of thing used in the financial world. So here we calculate our damages using Brownian motion, randomness, and then we just here we ask for a if they want to, if in the simulation, if they want to include the SEC regulatory costs, which is about $500,000. So this actually came into effect December 23rd, 2023. So this year's real stuff. It actually costs like $500,000 for a public company to make the proper disclosures for a cyber incident. So here we fetch our stock valuations from Yahoo Finance, right? And here we got defensive tactics for this function here. Here for the defensive tactics, I didn't use Brownian motion. I use random.choice. Now we're going to simulate the game. I'm sorry. Our function here is simulate game. So then the beginning part, upon the title startup, we designed this for financial institutions that want to determine the economic impact of a cyber attack. So the users would be like Goldman Sachs, a hedge fund, or a prop trading firm of some sort. So here we got some cool fonts to the simulation. Okay, so enter the affected company. Here's some insider code I put in just to make it fun, because actually MGM was attacked. MGM in Las Vegas was attacked by Scattered Spider. So just put that in there for fun. And they put in the cyber attack date. And but it doesn't have to be just for MGM. It could be for any publicly traded company. So it'll determine, it'll actually graph the effect of the cyber attack. So here we go with round 1. So red team's turn, right? And then we're gonna fetch some stock valuations, display the result, right? And then we're gonna I had it like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I called it a pseudo AI. I set it up so that it says processing, so it kind of looks cool. And then based on my research, the average cost of a cyber attack is like $1 million. So I wanted to make sure in my math that it wasn't going to be less than $1 million with all the random stuff. So now we're going to plot some historical stock values pre and post, and of the affected company, right? And to see what the effect the cyber attack is on the stock value of the company. I didn't have enough time to do another calculation. Would be the enterprise value, but I could probably add it in the next iteration. I added this. This was fun. This is for the financial institution to determine if they could have made money on it by shorting the company while it's under cyber attack or prior to it being under cyber attack. So of course you don't want to buy any shares. You want to short it. So here's the calculate profit aspect of it. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, thanks a lot for listening to my presentation. I appreciate it. You have a great day.